Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to automatically buy and sell tokens on Solana. There are several trading bots available for Solana, such as the Solana trading bot and SolMaker. You can find these on platforms like GitHub or SolMaker's website. Then create a new Solana wallet and transfer some SOL or Solana's native cryptocurrency to it. You may also need to convert some SOL to USDC or WSOL, depending on the bot's configuration. Next, follow the instruction provided by the bot's documentation to configure it. This usually involves setting up parameters such as the wallet's private key, RPC endpoints, and trading strategies. Once configured, run the bot according to the instructions. The bot will monitor market conditions in real time and execute trades based on predefined parameters and strategies. Keep an eye on the bot's performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize your trading strategy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.